Drive fast and eat cheeseburgers. All right, so here's our dent. Here, little crease. And it's pretty shallow, so I'm just gonna block it down with some 180, put some fill in it. And there's a bit of a dent there too, so we'll fix that up. Block it with 180. And you can see this is our low spot in here. So I am just gonna take some 180 and scuff that by hand in there. Here's our body fill. I like to put my hardener off to the side and then mix it together. So we get a nice consistency here. As you can see, the color is very well mixed in. So I'm just gonna put it on there. I've let this set up, and I've only used a small amount of hardener, and that will make it easier to block. Basically, you just want to try and block the whole thing at once. I got this blocked down. Looks good, nice and feathered out. And now I'm just going to throw a skim of putty over this. The fill has done its job. And basically we're putting a putty over there to help seal this in. Your fill will always have little imperfections in it. Polyester glaze. And this is going to go right over our fill. A skim coat of putty. And I put it all over our repair area. And it will help to smooth out any imperfections. So I'll let that cure and sand it down with 180 again. And I'm just gonna block it down with some 180. And you see it sands really nice because it's all blocked down really good. And just gonna take 320 on my feather edger with the interface pad and go over it. Whoa! 320 on the feather edger. Get rid of those lateral scratches. So if you're having a hard time feeling if your dent is still there or anything like that, just take your degreaser or a solvent, wet up the panel, and eye it up like that. Should help you see if there's any dents there, hopefully. I'm going to be using the water-based primer from PPG. And it's pretty straightforward and easy to use. It's a good build, sands nice. Shake it, shake it. You can go direct over metal with it. We're just going to spray a little coat on here. Got our first coat of primer on, and we got our stand set up with our blower, and we can just turn that on. And that way we can go do other things while this dries. So this is drying pretty fast, and you want to try and blow the air across it. Do not blow directly at it, as it will drive the moisture back into the primer. Just aim it on an angle so it's like that, and blowing across the panel, you have much better results. Alright, so I did 4 coats of the water-based primer. So I've got this primed. Primer's all dry, ready to sand. And I'm just going to start off with 400 on a block. 320, 400, and then 600 on the feather edger, 800 on the feather edger. And now I'm just going to hand sand this out with some 800. Got this prepped up and ready for paint. And I'm going to hand it off to the painter now. So here is the final product. You can see it turned out really good. Everything looks really nice, clean. So remember, thanks for stopping by. Drive fast and eat cheeseburgers.